McDonald's today, and today I'm gonna be part of the kitty club. Are they going to pick up? What are you doing? I won't do that. Careful. Good morning, It's our snack break.
It's your snack? Okay. Hi, Winona. Can I get chicken nuggets
Chicken nuggets.
with drink?
Nuggets 10:30.
10:30 kasi it's breakfast time.
Ano na lang, cheesy egg lasal with coffee.
With coffee po.
Yes, please. Small coffee only.
Anything to add?
All good. Thank you.
First window.
Thank you. Ay, cute! Super cute! Ang dami namang cute na crew dito. Lalabas na si George. Yan, hi. Say hi. Ay, thank you. Ay, where's my change? This crew is not active. Why are usap tayo ko? Thank you. Okay.
Hey, mommy! Ano?
Yan. Ay! Thank you po. Ang galing naman, na-assistant ka pa. Ay, ikot na. Energetic si Rigel, ah.
Lahat tayo kila Mami. Okay nga, Ate Rufay, sigaw mo nga. Alam niyo ba yung kabuting sinking na laro? Okay, sige. Kabuting sinking, group yourself into two. Two. Self into one. One. Into Vans. Energy. Three. Ay, wala si Kuya Georgie. Ayaan mo na yan si Kuya Georgie. Ayan, Kuya Georgie, kami dito ka na lang sa akin. Into dance. Group yourself into five. Count na si Ate Winona. Energy. Let's go. Stop your shoes. Winona.
Wait, no.
And of course, kay Kuya. Say along at count of three. 1,